Hi everyone, this is Heather Lawton from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 309, and in the previous video I gave you a quick pricing tip around price anchoring and how you should list your prices on your website or your price sheet. That was posted earlier today. If you haven't seen it, you'll definitely want to check that out. But one of the questions that came out of that video was, should you offer packages or a la carte options with a minimum price? Now, in the Pricing for Profitability workshop, I have the course online. I'll post the link below. I talk about both of these strategies, and there are certainly pros and cons to each. And we go over those in depth in the course. But I will say this, it really depends on your business model, what your goals are, and I believe that there's a way to have a hybrid between the two. That is to say, I don't think it's as clear-cut as saying there's one over the other. Like you should have packages or you should have a la carte options. Maybe you could have both. Again, it's probably a hybrid. It depends on your business. Okay, that's the straightforward answer. Yes, you can do either. I don't know that it matters per se, but one is certainly going to be more profitable than the other, and I think you know which one that's going to be. But I would say from a personal perspective, my opinion in my own business is that I would not offer straight a la carte with a minimum price requirement. I just personally don't appreciate that model. And the reason is I want to offer more full service to my clients. So I want to be able to steer them in a direction that will benefit them the most. I want to provide a service. And I think that if you put an a la carte price list in front of most people, they will get extremely overwhelmed and they might spend your minimum amount and maybe even a little bit more. But I don't know that that's the best way to offer the type of service that is more boutique feeling. So I think personally, my opinion is I would like to see packages with a la carte options that you can add on to after that, but I wouldn't do a straight a la carte price list. I would love to hear your thoughts and comments. If you could let me know, do you offer packages, number one? Do you offer a la carte? What does that look like? I will say in terms of a la carte, some people are tempted to offer things like 4x6s, 5x7s, and 8x10s. I'm not sure that I would do that. And if I did, I would have them all classified as gift prints and they would all be the same price. So for instance, random number, let's say it's $25 will get you either one 8x10 or one 5x7 or one 4x6. It's just a flat fee for anything that's 8x10 or smaller. And that's because you primarily want to discourage people from ordering those sizes because they're teeny tiny and your work is not going to look great that way. You want to sell bigger prints, albums, things like that. So again, I personally believe that it's going to be some type of hybrid model, a combination between packages and a la carte prints, but it would not be my preference to see just a la carte with a minimum spend. But you can run your business however you'd like. Check out the Pricing for Profitability course. I know you're going to love it. I'll see you in the next video.